You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
Me say like coffee like we a bong Snyder. Shotty rum ra, pam pat, quad pan quad. We a pan quad. If a ramp with this in a jelly make it pan clad. Duffel bag no one ever want
Alright, so this is the part of the program, guys, where we get into it because it's the summertime and the body them have to look right for the summer, right? Mind you, you can bring the summer whatever body you have, but you can also help it and tone it up a little bit. So Dianne O Brown, she is here and she's joined by Shauna Controlla because she's going to be taking us through a demonstration as to what to do to get the derriering, right, and everything else, unbigging the back, flattening the stomach and everything in between. I've been going to the gym for almost 3 months. I'm in a seat, so maybe she can help me. Big up Zavido. Hi Dianne, how are you?
I'm amazing. Happy to be here.
Fix me, because my belly need to flat like yours. And yeah, the rest of it. So let's go through.
Well, you said something about 3 months. To be honest, guys, building muscles is the hardest part. So that 3 months that you might need to spend a little bit more time investing and staying consistent.
Okay.
Eating your protein, being consistent in the gym, so not the 1 day, but you know, like the 3-4 days consistently. Right.
Coupled with that, what must I do? Let's do some moves though.
Alright, so one of my favorite moves for the glutes and hamstring is the Romanian deadlifts, the RDLs.
Okay.
Right, so we're turning to the side, right? Knee slightly bent. We're hinging the hip backwards, pushing the glutes all the way back till you feel a stretch in your hamstrings. Down, so pretend say you have a bar in your hand or some dumbbells, and then you're standing up, squeeze the glutes at the top, and repeat. Same thing, down.
And you keep the weights close to your body, right?
And up, squeeze the glutes, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Yes.
Oh, you must engage the core or
right at the top. So push back, 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 back. Are you feeling the stretch in your hamstrings? Good. And lift up with the glutes. Up, 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 and squeeze. So you could do this exercise with barbells, dumbbells. You could put on a resistance band around your knees for extra resistance. So that's a really, really great one for the hamstring and glutes. Next one is sumo squats. Everybody knows what squats is. The sumo squat, you're opened a little bit wider than shoulder width. Your toes are pointing diagonally. The weight would be in the center, and we're coming all the way down.
Whoa!
Them good knees and up. Squeeze at the top.
How do I alter this for the bad knee people?
You could use a chair, so you could actually just sit on a chair and stand back up. That's going to be great for your knee mobility. Instead of doing this one if you're feeling that discomfort in your knees when you go down.
Okay, but will it over time though strengthen my knees so I'm not feeling the pain?
You will, but you also have to be careful. So if you have knee pain, you don't want to be doing anything like jump squats, burpees, boom flick, cartwheel, right? You have to be mindful of where you are and what you're capable outside.
Shauna, I don't see you going down, you know what you're doing over there.
Speaking of, I do about 5 squats a while ago.
Oh, come never see it. All right.
Right.
Yes.
Lunges are also a great exercise for the glutes and quads. So we're gonna do our lunges. We're gonna do the right leg in front, left leg back, and we're going all the way down and up. Now this might not be that great for your knees as well.
Right.
Right.
Because I cheated the game last night. I sure did. I didn't do all my sets.
All right, down and up. Good job. Nice form.
Okay.
Well, right. If the exercises that are good for your glutes are affecting my knees, what are my alternatives? So you mentioned
have
a chair.
You have machines that you could use. You could do hip thrusts. Those are pretty friendly for the knees, or glute bridges on the floor instead. You could do kickbacks. You could use the cable. So there are definitely different things that you can incorporate to make sure that you're keeping yourself safe while building the derriere, as we all want.
We're building the derriere.
Right.
Can we just do spot workouts to get the figure that we're heading for, or we have to do something that's more comprehensive, head to toe?
I always recommend overall strength training, especially for women, because it's not, yes, we want the glutes to look popping, but you also want, I think everybody wants that hourglass physique, right? So the hour comes so, the hour not comes so. You see what I say? It's that shape. So So it's all about building shape, and building shape requires you to build strength all over. So upper body, lower body, core, glutes, so that you have a balanced physique.
What else can we do? So we've done the glute work. How do we do the upper body and maybe a little bit of core work to get like a full body workout? What else would you recommend?
You want to do some push-ups on the floor?
Come, Shauna, we'll do some push-ups. Come, Shauna, you started. Push up.
You can't do number 80, I'm not judge. Come. I'll go with you.
All right,
Okay.
we'll cheer you on. You can do it.
Or
Guys,
so you can.
don't laugh. I
Is
can
this
only
the
do
push-ups
like
where you stay on your knee or you have to go all the way? Oh, I can't do that
We
one.
can't do one.
Oh, we can't. Shauna, come on, man.
I can't do one. You got embarrassed from it.
Try 1, 2. You can. Oh, there you go. All
right.
Oh,
How much have you
yes.
say this way?
Yeah.
And then go
Go
like
down.
Drop your foot.
Whoa. You're gone. Commercial break.
You good?
Diane, you do personal training?
I do.
How do we find you for
You
personal
can find me on Instagram at Dianne.O.brown. I'm just a message away.
Dianne.O. Shauna, we're both going.
Yeah.
I'm not leaving you.
We need to.
All right, thank you so much, Diane. Thank you so much for stopping by. Alrighty, so where's Dufton? Dufton, I don't see him doing any exercise, you know.
You know, say, I will see.
Come here, man, because we have to go now. Run, come. Thank you so much for being with us on Daytime Live this afternoon. You can join us again for another episode. It's Tuesdays 105 right here, and on Fridays as well. And catch us on onespotmedia.com. Dianne O. Brown, Shauna Chin. I don't know what he's doing. Have a good day, guys.
Did it bend over something again?
You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and on the floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.